And then obviously, here's the S&P 500. Being that we're overbought, you know what I'm saying? And I automatically put this level in here to let me know where the gap fill level is. And then once I seen us topping out, look, and you can kind of see us topping out up here, bro. Coming in for the gap fill. That's what I caught, but it was on the SPY, bro. So look, I mean, it's just tailor-made, bro. Look, here's your pre-market high, your pre-market low. Even if you don't take that strat that I'm always talking about, because we kind of opened in the middle, but if you follow it from where we're coming from, we're already trending up, putting in higher lows. But look, we came up here and I seen us topping out. Pre-market high, but look, we come up here, you see us topping out, and then, I mean, either way, like once we got up here and I seen us wicking to the downside, topping out. And keep in mind, I'm watching it like on the 1 minute, but I'm also watching it on a higher time frame. So let's see what it actually looked like on the 1 minute. So right here, once we got up here, look, and I seen us topping out for a little bit, I went ahead and grabbed the 590, the 597s for a quick move, for a quick scalp down the here, got out. Then we popped up here again, grabbed them again, rinse and repeat for the quick scalp down here to VWAP and got out. Then we bounced back up here and I got in them again, the 597s. And then this is right before that data was about to come out. So I was kind of like either way, since I had already 2 green trades on the day, I figured, and obviously I had a bracket order on. So even if the data would have been bullish, it would have stopped me out if we would have ran up and put in a new high a day. But being that we were so overbought, and then I seen a little shit about Trump not getting along with Xi Jinping in China, so that was kind of like a bearish thing. And then there was some other shit going on like between Elon and Trump, so that was kind of putting like a bearish overtone on the market. So I just went ahead and got in them again for the rinse and repeat. And sure enough, right here, that's when that data came out, right at 10. And I had my bracket order on, and we just whipped all the way down here. And my shit, I mean, like I got out like right on the low of the move, right here on this wick. I didn't catch it all the way down. I wish I would have, but I didn't. I just caught this move from here to here. And then I had the dip, right? But I was watching the markets pretty much from my phone, right? And I seen this triple top up here. And keep in mind, there's a triple top here off the pre-market as well, off the pre-market high. Look, 1, 2, 3, and then you got 1, 2, 3. So when we bounce back up here again, I'll grab the 597s again, and we washed out again, cracked VWAP, and I got out right here. And that was pretty much it. I just rinsed and repeated the 597s on the SPY, and I had a fade on the Qs as well, and I could log in, but yeah, right here. But again, I didn't catch the whole move because the way my bracket's set up, and I'm not trying to catch the whole move. I'm only trying to catch the meat of it. You feel me? And basically, pretty much that's it. Just fading the rips. And I mean, it doesn't even matter what your bias is. I mean, you could have been a rip fader or a dip buyer today. Doesn't really matter. I was just fading the rips because, again, we're overbought. Look at this chart, bro. Look at this. Ripping, gapping up. I wasn't certain that we were going to give a lot back, but I was certain that we were overbought and we are going to have some pullbacks. So basically, we had a range-bound day, especially on the SPY, and I just played the ranges. You feel me? Basically, pre-market high and pre-market low. Those were your ranges right there. But again, it don't really matter if you're long bias or short bias, because you could have caught the scalp off the open. If you missed this fade and went wick all the way down here, you could have bought the dip and ran up. Or if you missed this fade, you could have bought the dip, as you see us consolidating down here, and rode it back up. But I just caught the fades. You feel me? Just basically, like I said, the only reason why I was a little bit more short bias today was because we were overbought. All right.